Hello, welcome back to KK's Voxel Lab. This is part 5 of Create Doll Character series. Today let's talk about how to apply your customized model in your life scene by AR. Imagine when you can put anything you create on any surface you find, and that can be a doll, a puppy, or even a beautiful architecture. Also, it's easier to share to your friends or customers, so that they can also enjoy your art. Don't worry if you are not good at Blender or Maya. Magicavoxel gives simple way of creating 3D models, and Adobe apps help to generate animation and AR models. If you are curious how this model is made, do not miss these videos. Here is the process of how a model is applied from Magicavoxel to AR. Before we start, let's be prepared so that we can apply AR smoothly. Last time we finish uploading models to Mixamo, let's continue to make her alive. Since we already have the character, what we need to do is pick up an animation. We have so much options. Maybe dance this time. I think maybe this one. Tap Send to Aero. Adobe will send your model file to Creative Cloud, so that you can access it by login Adobe account and other devices. Then move to your iPhone or iPad. Tap blue button to create a new object, and choose a surface to place your model. Usually a table or floor. Tap blue button again, and pick up the model from Creative Cloud. If you have models in local, you may choose files instead. No preview? Don't mind, tap open, then tap the location and place. Okay, that's it. And you can adjust the size and where she face to as you like. Then we can add the animation to interact with her. Before that, we should set trigger first. There are 4 options to trigger the action. I will choose tap. Then list pop up, and I would like to allow the re-triggering immediately. Keep the default setting and add the action, that action we had picked up in Mixamo. Choose play animation. That means, if you tap the model on screen, it will trigger the action, and the action is to play the animation. Tap preview to see if it works. You can add more models or more actions on the model if your device can run it. 2 models with 1 action each is the limit for my device. You may be curious if the model can be put on edges. Let me give you another example. This time I used Japanese language and changed trigger from tap to close. That means, when I walked close to the model, it will begin the action. And I change action to a sitting pose. Congratulations, you have finished maybe your first voxel AR art. But I think we can do more. Let's challenge to put her in the kitchen I made before. Open the kitchen voxel file, choose all objects and combine the object into one, because we don't need parts, we only need the scene. Save it to OBJ file, and name the object so that we can find it easily. Combine the OBJ, MTL, PNG file into a zip file. Use Google account to log in Vectary.com and import your zip file in it. Vectary will change your 3D files to AR file, or you can create your 3D models on it. Create a new project and choose Import, then drag and drop the zip file, so that your model will be placed in the scene. Change the environment light if you like. That depends on where you are going to perform it. When edit is finished, export and download the GLB file so that Adobe Aero can read it directly. Copy the GLB file to your device and open Adobe Aero. Next steps are the same as before. Find a surface and pick GLB file from local folder, place it. Then pick and place our char actor in it. This moment you will probably feel your device getting hot. Add the animation like we did before. Yeah, it works. You can put any char actor with any animation in the scene customized. That's funny. Look how happy she is. Do you like today's tutorial? I am glad to hear any comments and suggestions from you and see you next time.